For over 90 years, Milwaukee Tools has led the industry, providing the best professional heavy-duty power tools, accessories, and hand tools. At Milwaukee, we know if it's worth doing properly or not at all. We also know that it's the little things that can make all the difference. We are world-renowned for our power tools, but why stop there? Our accessories and hand tools are changing the game too, with disruptive innovation across carbide, linear edge, drilling and fastening, measuring tools, levels, and other hand tools. Simply put, we design our accessories and hand tools to increase the end user's productivity and durability on the job site. With 24-hour global product development, we continue to invest in a fast-changing marketplace and adapt to the end user's needs. Our accessories and hand tools stay stronger, sharper, drill harder, cut faster, and run for longer, time after time. Our strength lies in our strategy. We're trade-focused, offering industry-leading support to our industrial partners across Europe, and of course, world-class training in order to ensure they deliver the best solution to their end users. They say a bad workman always blames his tools. With Milwaukee, there's no excuses, only excellence. Once red, always red. Milwaukee, nothing but heavy duty.